This is a portable monitor, so this is awesome for travel and temporary setups. You can see right now I've got this hooked up to my MacBook right here. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro. I have this hooked up just simply by the Type-C to Type-C connector that they give you here directly into my computer. So this is really neat because then this gives me a 15.6-inch extra display where I can either mirror. What I'm doing is actually extending my screen. So I'm able to put extra windows and stuff over onto this monitor. I could have, say, emails up on this and a web browser up here. You know, there's tons of different possibilities. So I really like this. This is awesome too. This has a stand, as you can see. There are two different ways. I can have it a little more vertical like this, and then I can also drop it down and have it a little lower. The nice thing with this is I've tested out some other portable monitors like this, and in the past, some of them, whether it was like this or a tablet, it kind of slides down, doesn't hold position very well. This one does not do that. This one is very secure and it stays in this position. You can see moving this around, it doesn't fall down or anything like that. So it's nice too because they give you everything you need in the box. You get the monitor itself, you know, this cover which is magnetic and covers it up. So that's great because then you can easily throw this in a backpack or your briefcase. The other thing is, like I said, I have a Type-C to Type-C cable that is working with my MacBook right now. I also have then the power cord that goes to this. You just have to supply this some external power. And then I also have, it gives you a full HDMI to a mini HDMI for another cable. So that's another possibility. The monitor uses mini HDMI, and then you have a full-size HDMI that can pretty much go to anything else. It's nice because you can then hook this up to things like your laptops. You can hook it up to phones. You can hook it up to like a mini PC. So if you have something like that, that would be a very easy thing to do as well, and then have a truly portable setup. And if you're a gamer, you can even hook up something like a Nintendo Switch and kind of play on this and have this as a portable monitor. I was pretty impressed with all the controls on this too. There's a little side switch and a button on the left side. By pressing in the little switch, it functions as an extra button, and then you can kind of toggle it up and down to go through and navigate the menus. So it's pretty neat. You can actually change, there's like blue light controls on this. You can set up your picture and display options as well. The one tip I would give is I thought the display looked a little too warm upon getting it set up. So what I did was I went into the color temperature and I set it to the user color temperature, which was 50s for your RGB and everything. And I thought it looked pretty good here. It's not quite as bright as my MacBook, but this is a fraction of the cost, so I'm really impressed. This is native 1080p also, so it does look pretty good. I'm impressed with being able to do full screen YouTube videos, and you could do Netflix and stuff on here. And then for text, as far as websites and my emails, everything comes up really nice. It's not hard to read whatsoever. This does have dual speakers built into this, which is really nice also. So this is a really great option for a portable monitor. If you want to have an easy on-the-go work setup, it's great for portability. Even if you want to use this as like a work from home setup, it's really nice because you can put this away at the end of the day if you want to and not have any clutter out, but it's really easy to use, very easy for setup and just hooking up multiple devices. So if you guys want to pick this up, there's going to be an affiliate link in the comments and description there. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you on the next one.